If Windows 11 feels laggy, don't reset your PC. First, clear these hidden cache files and see the difference in your computer. So in this tutorial, you will learn the best way to clear Windows 11 cache. And after doing all these steps, your laptop, your machine will work like brand new computer. So the very first step here, to click on the start icon and then go to settings. And here, the very first option, the second option will say system. We will click on that and then we will go to storage. Now to clear cache and temporary files, we click on storage and here you will find storage sense, and we just need to wait for a while and you will see that temporary files is also getting scanned and we can click on that. The moment we click on that, you will find a lot of things. Temporary files, delivery optimization files, downloads, thumbnails. All these are junk and cache which is not created by you. It is created by system, and yes, you can get rid of it and make your computer faster and also free up space. So I'll select remove files and I'll click on continue. So we have successfully cleaned. Now the next step is to do the disk cleanup. I'll show you what exactly disk cleanup is. So here you can simply search disk and you will find disk cleanup system. So I'll open it, select your C drive where your OS is installed and then click on OK. Now here again select download program files, temporary internet files, DirectX, delivery optimization, recycle bin if you want to, temporary files, right? So this is a very clean PC. Still I have 1 GB. In your computer, if you have never cleaned your PC for junk and cache, you might have 30 to 40 GB of junk sitting there in the PC. So select that and click on OK and just delete it. All right. Once this thing might take time. If you have a lot of files, a lot of junk, it might take 5 minutes to clean, right? Now another location where these temporary files and junk sits, to open that, do a right click, go to run and type temp. This is a location where these junk sits. So here again, once you just need to select all and press shift and delete and hit enter. So once this is done, close this and again do a right click in the start icon, click on run, and this time we will type %temp %. This is another location where the junk is there. I'll show you, and this is a very clean PC. That's why I don't have any junk here. So again, you can select all by pressing Ctrl A and then shift delete like this, right? Once this is done, there is another location to clear the cache, which is Microsoft Store. So if you use Microsoft Store a lot, then I would recommend to open the run window again by doing a right click and then click on run. And here you will type wsreset. So this will clean up the cache, and the moment I click on OK, Microsoft Store will open and then it will be closed. In this manner, it will clear the cache for you. So I have just done it. wsreset, Microsoft Store opened, and it will be also closed. All right. So this is how you can clear cache in your computer. And there is one more tip which you can do to clear the DNS. You can flush the DNS. I'll show you how exactly you can do it. So in this manner, the browsing speed will be also better if you haven't cleaned DNS for years. So search for CMD, and then run as administrator. Say yes and type ipconfig. I'll mention all these things in my description so that you can type it. ipconfig space /flushdns and hit enter. So it says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Alright, so this is how you can clear Windows 11 cache. And after doing all these steps, if you find your PC better, if you have free up the space, please hit the like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this tutorial with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.